This guide will help you quickly log out of your Temu app on Android in just a few easy taps, making it simple to switch accounts or keep your information secure anytime. First, open the Temu app on your Android device and make sure you are logged into the correct account. Next, look at the bottom center of the screen where you will see the U icon, which takes you to your personal profile section. Tap on it to continue. Once inside your profile, locate the settings icon shaped like a gear in the top right corner and tap it. Scroll down slowly through the settings menu until you reach the very bottom. There you will find the sign out option. Tap on it and the app will prompt a confirmation message. At this point, you may be asked whether you want to remember your login details for faster access next time. Choose either not now or remember. Based on your preference, then confirm your action. After that, your account will be successfully signed out from the Temu app. Finally, always ensure you fully exit the app if you are using a shared device for better privacy and security. Logging out regularly helps protect your personal data and keeps your Temu account safe from unauthorized access or unwanted use immediately.